U.S. stocks, they were well on the upside Thursday afternoon with the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 setting fresh highs, lifted by a series of upbeat economic reports. And this after Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke reiterated that monetary policy will remain highly accommodative. Now first, Ben Bernanke returned to Capitol Hill to testify before the Senate Banking Committee on the state of the economy and quantitative easing. This after reassuring the markets that there was no set timetable for the Fed to cut back its bond purchase program. Meanwhile, on the economic front, weekly jobless claims dropping today by 24,000 to a seasonally adjusted 334,000, its lowest level in 4 months. Business activity in the Mid-Atlantic region, that jumped to its best level since March 2011, with the index coming in at a reading for the month of July of 19.8. And the leading indicators, that was flat at 95.3 for the month of June. And with the traders also focused on a handful of earnings reports and oil prices soaring above $107 a barrel today, it looked to be quite the active and strong finish for the Dow Jones this Thursday. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has performed. The Dow on the upside, 78.02 points to settle in at 15,548.54. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Morgan Stanley, which soared after the financial giant topped quarterly expectations and as the company's revenue grew in all of its major businesses, particularly trading and underwriting. Meanwhile, Verizon beat earnings expectations by 1 cent a share, thanks to strong growth at its Verizon wireless venture with Vodafone Group. On the downside, however, eBay slumping to lead the Nasdaq 100 laggards after the online auction company handed in current quarter and full year guidance that were below estimates. And Intel, that declined after the chipmaker lowered its full year revenue guidance and said that it is cutting back capital spending amid contracting PC sales and economic weakness in China.